Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool smell right here, and basically what these are some car air fresheners. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from a brand called Febreze. And for the one that I got right here, it comes with a set of 5 of them. They do have this available in bigger or smaller packs, so depending on how many you need, that is up to you guys. But regardless if you guys get more or less, it doesn't matter. They all work the same way. As long as if you guys get the same scent that's right here, which is Hawaiian Aloha, then it should work the same way. So usually when you guys purchase this product, they do give you guys the option to kind of scratch it right here, so that way you guys can smell the scent before you guys purchase it. So let's scratch a little bit on here and see what it smells like first. Alright, so after smelling the actual product on here, it smells really good. It has this kind of Hawaiian floral kind of scent to it that smells very good. It kind of makes me feel like I'm back in Hawaii, which is pretty cool. And the way how you guys use it is actually very simple. If you can see in the back right here, all you guys need to do is take it out from the package right here. Then you guys want to clip it up by pushing it up in the back. Once you guys do that, you guys can stick it into car air vent. And for the top part, you guys can adjust if you guys want to be stronger, if you guys want to be weaker. You guys can adjust it based on your own preference. And if you guys notice for the product, it does give you guys a little storage case, so that way you can store it inside and grab it when you guys need to. And usually when I do use this product, it lasts me around for a month or so. So usually after 1 month, I would need to replace it. And like I mentioned, the one that I got right here is the Hawaiian Aloha scent. They do have this available in many other scents as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys prefer. But let's open this up to show you guys how it works first. Alright, so once you guys open it, you can see right here this little case. So let's open up the case. You guys can see how there's 5 of them inside. So let's take out one of them. Once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So the front part right here, you can see like the liquid or the formula inside. Top part right here, we do have the option for you guys to adjust it. So if you guys want more or less. And they also show you guys a symbol on top to let you guys know which side is which. And basically for the back part right here is where you guys want to clip it into your car air vent. But once you guys push it up, it will start working. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Very easy and very simple for you guys to use it. So let's set this up to show you guys how it works. So you guys push it up like this. Once you guys hear the snap, then it's all set to start using it. And you guys want to open the back part, so that way the product can start working. So all you can do now is clip this into your car air vent, and you guys are all set. And the way how they design the product right here is actually pretty cool because it does give you guys the option to kind of push it. So that way you guys can push the scent to start working even faster. But when you guys smell it, you can definitely smell like the strong scent starting to work immediately. So that way you can freshen up like the air in your car or anywhere else, which is pretty awesome. So I actually used a lot of these before in the past. So I'm actually show you guys that quick little video of the other one that I tested in the past to show you guys how to set it up real quick. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here I have the other one that I've been using. This is like the original version or like the fresh scent one. So all you need to do is just stick it on like this. And you just want just the top part in terms of how strong you guys want it. So this side for less and this side for more. So you see for this one's basically almost done. So that is why I got a new one right here. So that way I can keep the car smelling fresh. But that is basically how you guys use it. Very easy and very simple. Alright, so now that I saw that quick little video, you can definitely see that's actually very easy for you to use it. So the one that I saw in the video is basically like the unstoppable scent. And for those, it's been working really well. Like I mentioned, for each one of these, it lasts me around for like 1 month or so before I need to change it. And so this set gives you guys 5 of them. It should last you guys for around like 150 days. But you can definitely start smelling the result instantly once you guys start using it. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality car air freshener where you can clip it into your car air vent. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.